Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on clearing the cache on Mobile Legends. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Clearing the cache of Mobile Legends is easy and can be done from within the app. From the dashboard of the app, tap Settings from the top right. In Settings, tap Network Test from the bottom. Now select Cache Clearing. Tap Clean. The cache will then clear. Then tap OK to restart the game. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mobile Legends tips and tricks.